about a teacher. A teacher is a companion that activates the matters of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom. A very good morning to my respected sir, Meenakshi ma'am, parents, and my dear teachers and all my friends. And I am Janika, studying in class 2A in the Secunderabad Public School. Today I am playing the role of a teacher. I am a teacher. I play a unique role in every student's life. I help to shape the future of the student by dedicating my time and efforts. I always work tirelessly to ensure that each of the students reaches their full potential. I have limitless patience. I make a world of difference in my students' lives. My dear friends, I strongly believe that a teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. So we should respect and honor our teachers unconditionally. Thank you. Now I am going to continue this in second language. నేను ఉపాధ్యాయునిగా అంకిత భావంతో పనిచేస్తాను. నేను విద్యార్థులకు చాలా సబ్జెక్టులు మరియు క్రమశిక్షణ నేర్పిస్తాను. నేను చెప్పినట్టు వింటే నా విద్యార్థులకు మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంటుంది. విద్యార్థి గాలిపటం అయితే ఆధారమైన ధారణ గురువు. నేను చాలా